Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic called ESG management opportunities. To mitigate the risk effectively, ESG risk effectively, we need to work on certain opportunities. Uh, Also, the organizations can explore to enhance their sustainability, social responsibility, and governance related practices. So, we will discuss multiple opportunities defined in different categories here, and we will take one by one multiple number of examples. So, let us first start with the environmental management opportunity, where we will try to correlate these opportunities examples with the different materiality topics. Okay, as we have discussed the materiality topics earlier, so let us take certain examples. First one is renewable energy adoption. So we invest in renewable energy sources to reduce carbon footprint. Also, we work on efficiency of the energy. We implement energy saving technologies and practices to reduce the we can say energy consumptions. Okay, and we have certain initiatives or opportunities related to the water conservation. We adopt water efficient technologies and practice to minimize the water uses. We then focus on waste reduction programs and recycling programs. We implement waste reduction and recycling programs to minimize the landfill waste, and we provide the support to develop the circular economy practices or principles. Okay. Also, we ensure to obtain certifications like LEED to demonstrate green building certifications, commitment to the sustainable building practices. Also, we source materials and products from the sustainable suppliers. We run certain biodiversity conservation programs, support biodiversity through land conservation and restore initiatives. Also, we implement environmental management system ISO 14001 to manage the environmental impacts effectively. EMS, environmental management system, we implement ISO 14001 14001. Okay, climate change adaptations, we develop the strategies to adapt to the climate change impacts in our operations. Also, there can be certain circular economy related initiatives. We implement circular economy principles to reduce the waste and maximizing the resource uses. Then next we discuss about the social management related opportunities. So as we have identified multiple risks in the previous discussion, now we focus on how we can find out those opportunities to mitigate those risks. So let us take one by one social management opportunities examples like diversity and inclusion programs. So we foster a diverse, inclusive workplace culture. So we run certain programs, we design certain programs of diversity and inclusion. Also, equal employment opportunities, we ensure the fair and equal opportunities for all the employees. Labor rights compliance, we adhere to the labor laws and international labor standards. We prioritize employees' health and safety with robust EHS, environmental health and safety policies and practices. Also, training and development is an important subject. We invest in trainings and talent development programs for employee skill enhancements. Also, we engage with the local communities through philanthropic initiatives and partnerships, involving the stakeholders in decision-making processes to build trust and also transparency. Okay, transparency. Then human rights protection, also by implementing policies and practices to respect and protect the human rights. Also, we ensure the customer data privacy and data protection. We ensure data privacy practices for the customers. Also ensure product is meeting all the safety and quality related standards. Next comes the governance management related opportunities. We ensure the ethical business conduct. We establish the code of conduct and ethics policies for all the employees. Also, we ensure the corporate governance excellence programs. We enhance governance practices to ensure transparency and accountability. We link executive compensation with the long-term sustainability performance. We implement anti-corruption policies and procedures. We implement adherence to the regulatory requirements and industry standards and ensure the regulatory compliances. We develop a robust, robust risk management practices. Or framework to identify and mitigate the risk. Also, we protect the whistleblower whistleblowers basically, and provide mechanism for employees to report misconducts, right? The next is shareholder engagement. We foster and drive a culture of stakeholder engagement, shareholder engagement, and the communication programs. We also ensure board diversity. We increase diversity in the board of directors to bring varied perspectives. And also, we protect the data through robust cybersecurity measures. The next comes integrated management opportunities. In this integration of ESG factors into business strategy, we embed ESG considerations into corporate strategy, our corporate statements, our core business values also, and decision making processes. In the sustainability reporting, we enhance transparency through comprehensive ESG reporting. We conduct regular materiality assessment to identify and prioritize the ESG issues. Also, we promote sustainability practices throughout the supply chain. And then we foster innovation in products and services that will contribute to the sustainability goals. So we apply innovative ideas for the sustainability. We ensure the crisis management practices and business resilience practices. So we develop business resilience strategies to manage the ESG related crisis effectively. Also, we raise awareness and educate stakeholders about ESG issues and initiatives. There can be certain examples related to the collaboration and partnership. Collaborate with the industry peers, NGOs, government to address the shared ESG challenges. Also, drive a culture of ESG responsibility and accountability across the organization and leadership. The next comes some additional ESG management related opportunities. The best example is environmental stewardship. We take a proactive role in environmental conservation and stewardship. We support the social innovation initiatives that will address societal challenges. The governance transparency, we enhance transparency in governance practices and decision making. We provide training and capacity building on ESG issues of the employees, for the employees, and also invest in community development projects that will create positive impacts. And the most important subject in this is stakeholder satisfaction. So measure and improve stakeholder satisfaction through feedback and engagement. Also ensure brand reputation management, effective brand reputation management. So in this opportunity, we manage and enhance the brand reputation through responsible ESG practices. Also, we advocate for the policies that promote sustainability and responsible business practices. One more opportunity, we obtain certifications and endorsements. Those will validate ESG commitments and achievements. ESG scoring and rating also from the multiple agencies. Digital transformation for the sustainability, leveraging the digital technologies to enhance ESG performance and reporting practices. The next comes continued ESG management opportunities like employee volunteering program in CSR. So encourage employees to participate in volunteer programs that will benefit the communities. We aim for carbon neutrality through emission reduction and carbon offset initiative, sustainable packaging, ethical supply chain, impact investment, responsible marketing, adaptation to the emerging risk. So these can be certain examples related to even some more like employee well-being, disaster preparedness and response, sustainable tourism related practices. We can see certain opportunities, examples for expanded ESG management opportunity like ethical leadership development. We invest in leadership development programs to emphasize ethical decision making, ESG risk management integration, cultural heritage preservation programs, artificial intelligence for ESG. We talk about the inclusive business models we develop inclusive business model. Those will benefit the marginalized communities, indigenous communities also. And ESG benchmarking, we benchmark with ESG performance against the industry peers and best practices. Also, local sourcing initiatives like source materials and services locally to support the local economies or in-country values. Okay. Then next is extensive ESG management opportunities like adoption of the ESG standards, employee empowerment programs, green bonds, financing, transparent supply chain, eco-efficient manufacturing, ESG linked finance, sustainable forest management, inclusive procurement practices. So these can be certain examples for that. Advanced ESG business opportunities or management opportunity, like we conduct social impact assessment, data analytics, ESG integrated merger and acquisitions, sustainable business practices. Green supply chain management, responsible chemical management also can be certain examples. Then progressive ESG management practices examples can be like carbon pricing initiatives. So we support carbon pricing initiative and strategies. Also ESG impact investment platforms engage with impact investment platforms focusing on ESG criteria. Humanitarian aid, disaster reliefs, corporate social responsibility programs, ESG performance audits. So multiple examples are there which we find out as an opportunities to work and effectively mitigate the risk. So these ESG management opportunities will provide a roadmap for organizations to enhance their sustainability, social responsibility and governance related practices, also to contribute to the long-term value creation for stakeholders in the environment. Each opportunity represents a potential area for innovation, collaboration and positive impact within the broader ESG frameworks. Okay, thank you very much friends. Let us start the new topic now.